a timeless symphony performed by nature, soothing and invigorating all at once. The sound is a melody that speaks to the soul. Each drop, a note in nature that creates a peaceful harmony that calms the mind and rejuvenates the spirit. Rain has a unique way of connecting us to the world around us. It reminds us of the beauty and simplicity of life, encouraging us to pause and appreciate the moment. Beyond its soothing sounds, rain is vital for life. It nourishes our crops, replenishes our water supplies, and sustains the rich biodiversity of our planet. In bustling cities, rain brings a moment of tranquility, a brief pause from the noise and haste. It transforms the ordinary into something extraordinary, creating a serene atmosphere that invites reflection. And when the rain ends, it leaves behind a refreshed world, often graced with a rainbow, a symbol of hope and renewal. So, next time it rains, take a moment to listen. Let the sound of the rain remind you of the beauty, the calm, and the essential gift it brings to our world. Embrace the rain, for it is nature's gentle reminder of life's continual cycle of renewal and growth. We get to contemplate the life we live and have lived, our mortality, and perhaps a dialogue with absence, of what has gone, of what isn't there. What do we give over to the unknown? With a rain that washes the world clean, then the rain came, like stammer kisses at first. On the back of my neck, I unfurled my fist for the rain to caress with its lips. I turned up my face, and water flooded my mouth, baptized my head. The rain soothes, cleanses, and reveals, as if a blessing come down to envelop the body. Keening at the mysteries and wonders that linger beneath our everyday lives, we find a longing for connection and fulfillment. There is a yearning to be loved deeply, and a constant search for balance for love that, like rain, nurtures and soothes amidst the uncertainties of life. Dreams put on hold, lives caught in a stagnant loop, and aspirations smothered by societal expectations. Like the ceaseless downpour of the rain, the struggles of the women in her verses are often unseen, silently absorbed by the city streets. In Agha Shahid Ali's stirring poem, Even the Rain, the relentless rhythm of rainfall is the backdrop for a deeply poignant meditation on loss, love, and the stark reality of mortality. A thread of nostalgia paints a portrait of personal relationships that once were. Diagnosed with a malignant brain tumor and faced with the undeniable prospect of his approaching end. Here, the significance of rain, so vital to our lives and memories, becomes tinged with poignant futility. What meaning does it hold, after all? When faced with the ultimate finality of death, so much to do this week. My wall is full of it. I feel myself being pulled in many directions, and I wanted to shrink back from everything. Day by day, I said, I'll take it day by day. I keep having these dreams where I am asleep underwater. I've never known such peace. It calls to me so much to make it happen. It scares me a little. Let me be water. The heart pours out in waves. Listen to what the water says. Sometimes I think about talking, about hobbies, and discussing the day's weather with a friend or new person I have met. Why not try connecting with someone on a deeper level and try talking about some deep conversation topics? This can add something new and unfamiliar to a conversation and even teach me something new about the person I am talking to.
have resumed in Gaza after being halted for a second time last week due to loss of seas. William Keir anchored back on Gaza's shoreline today. Pentagon Press Secretary General Pat Ryder confirmed deliveries were back up and running overnight. The transfer